I'm Jennifer Forlong with DV Real Estate, and today I'm here to discuss what's cooking in real estate. Have you ever thought about becoming a homeowner? Are you tired of paying someone else's mortgage, but you don't know where to start? Today I'm here to discuss with you how you can become pre-qualified for that home loan. But I'm going to do it today while showing you how to make a traditional Spanish meal.
Meal number 1, the rice. Finances. What's the plan? First, let's start off with your ingredients. You're going to use 2 cups of any rice of your choice, extra virgin olive oil, and 3 teaspoons of salt. Step number 1, measure and wash your rice. Start up with your 2 cups of rice and wash them under cold water. This is going to be done 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear, similar to running your credit report. You want to see what's on your credit report and what your current situation is. What's your credit score? You wouldn't apply to that loan knowing you don't qualify the same way you wouldn't cook with dirty rice. Step number 2, seasoning the rice, the planning. Add your rice to the pot along with oil, salt, and water. We're going to place this on a medium to high heat and bring to a mid-level boil. This process of the rice is similar to making your financial plan. As the rice is cooking and the water is evaporating, you are also making a plan for your financial goal. Do you need to pay anything off? Do you need a second job to pay those things off? What will improve your credit score? How much are closing costs? Should you be working with a financial advisor? How much do you need to save for your down payment? All of these questions are equally important to making your financial plan. Step number 3, stirring the rice, the waiting game. This is where your financial plan comes into play. Once all the water has evaporated, you're now going to stir the rice and lower the temperature to its lowest possible setting. Once you do that, you're going to place the lid on the pot and cook the rice for 25 minutes. This process is similar to working that financial plan, paying off those debts, saving for that budget that you now know that you need for your down payment, having the closing costs, and most importantly, getting that credit score to where you need in order to apply for that home loan. Step number 4, fluffing the rice up, aka being financially ready to apply for that home loan. Lastly, you're going to stir the rice in order to ensure that all the rice has fully cooked. Now that the rice is fully cooked, you are ready to enjoy. Even more importantly, now you know what steps you need to take in order to qualify for that home loan. Stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to make beans and we talk about the loan process and how to pick a mortgage broker. I'm Jennifer Forlong with DV Real Estate Group. Thanks for watching.